In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voice search in Chrome. If you want to use your voice instead of typing while browsing, Chrome makes that possible through your microphone settings. This is especially useful for voice search, speech input on websites, and any browser feature that needs access to your microphone. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can turn it on without any confusion. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access the browser's settings and other tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Chrome, where you can control privacy, permissions, and browser behavior. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. Everything we're looking for is grouped under Chrome's privacy controls. Next, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the permissions that websites use when they want access to things like your camera, location, notifications, and microphone. Since voice search depends on microphone access, this is the area where you need to make the change. After that, click Site Settings. This page lets you manage what websites are allowed to do when you visit them. You can control permissions for media, pop-ups, background activity, and more. For voice search, the important setting here is the microphone. Now click Microphone. On this page, you'll see the microphone settings for Chrome. First, make sure the correct microphone is selected if you have more than one connected to your device. For example, you may have a built-in microphone, a headset microphone, or an external USB microphone. Choosing the right one helps Chrome hear you clearly. Then, enable the option that allows sites to use your microphone. Once this setting is turned on, websites that support voice input or voice search will be able to request microphone access. When a site asks for permission, you can allow it directly in Chrome. If voice search still doesn't work after enabling this, it's a good idea to check that your computer's microphone is working properly and that your operating system also allows Chrome to access it. That can prevent issues even when the browser setting is correct. And that's it. Once your microphone permission is enabled in Chrome, you'll be ready to use voice search more easily and more conveniently while browsing.